Hey loves, today I will be showing you all my DIY fall palette that I created using Hot Pots from Coastal Scents. I used my palette to create two very different fall inspired looks. This is my DIY fall themed palette. It has a beautiful mixture of browns, oranges, purples, and greens. It is so pretty. Before I get into the shadows, I want to go over the price. This is a 28 pan palette. Each hot pot is $2.95. So 28 times $2.95 is $82.60, plus the $9.95 for the 28 pan interchangeable palette brings my total to $92.55. Now, I did purchase these items back in October, which is my birthday month, and Coastal Scents gifted me a discount code. It was birthday5 for $5 off, which brought my total down to $87.55, with my order having free shipping because it was over $50. I am using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader to highlight my brow bone with the Amuse Single Shadow in Cream. I am starting off this eye look by applying the shade Oktoberfest directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using the Ruby Kisses small eyeshadow brush. I am using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush to highlight my brow bone with Nectar. I am blending those shadows together using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Blender. This brush is so fluffy, I love it. I am taking Chocolatier on my Basic Beauty eyeshadow brush and applying it to the outer half of my lid. I am using another Basic Beauty eyeshadow brush to apply Deep Cantaloupe to the remainder of my lid. I am applying the Colourpop Cream Gel Color in Venus using my e.l.f. small angled brush. I am coating my lashes with the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes mascara. For this look, I went with the Le Flare 3D Foaming Lashes in style 12. I am applying Marmalade to my lower lash line using my AOA E115. Using my Basic Beauty small eyeshadow brush, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with 18 Karat Gold. I am highlighting my brow bone with the Amuse Cosmetics eyeshadow in Creme using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. Using my Start Mini Blending Brush, I am applying Vibrant Plum directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye. I am highlighting my brow bone with Caramelized using my Colormates eyeshadow brush. I am blending these two shadows together using the Beauty Accents Blending Eyeshadow brush. I am placing Deep Grape on the outer one half of my lid using my Remy Rose eyeshadow brush. I am applying Sage Sensation to the inner half of my lid using my Basic Beauty eyeshadow brush. I am using my e.l.f. small angled brush to apply the Colourpop Cream Gel Color in Teaspoon. I applied a coat of the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara to my natural lashes. Now for falsies, I chose the Miss 3D Makeup Soft Lashes in the style 51. Moving down to my lower lash line, I am applying Vibrant Lime Green using the AOA E115. I am lining my waterline with the Milani Shadow Eyes pencil in Royal Purple. I am gently pressing Amethyst into that liner using my Basic Beauty small eyeshadow brush. Using that same brush, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with Caramelized. I had so much fun filming this video because I was using a palette that I created, and I think I did a pretty good job with the fall theme. I love both of the looks that I came up with. All of the products that I used will be listed in the description along with a full list of the shadows in the palette. Leave me a comment telling me what you thought of today's video, and until next time, bye loves!